If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making BIRI DALI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper, black cardamom and some mustard seeds. Apart from mustard seeds and cumin, blend all these to make a powder. Take 1 cup of URAD dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours and discard the water. Then take half inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. Then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, a quarter cup of grated coconut and some salt to taste. Now traditionally these are made in earthen pots, so that's why to make this I am using the earthen pot, but you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Add about 3 cups of water, as we are taking total 1 cup of dal. Now to the water, first add the bay leaves, haldi, salt and the crushed ginger and bring this to boil first. Then to that add all the soaked dal but without the water. Now keep the flame on medium and cover it with a lid and let it simmer till the water content is almost reduced. And it's perfect. Now to this, add the crushed powder, jaggery, grated coconut and the ghee and combine these really well. Then again cook for a couple of minutes and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, BIRI DALI. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.